XRP will replace SWIFT soon. Every day we hear something big about the fourth largest cryptocurrency, but today we are sharing something that will clear up any doubts of XRP being the future global currency. So guys, XRP will be replacing the SWIFT, which is a whole worldwide system. Now this means XRP is really the cryptocurrency of the decade. Hey guys, and welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, a channel where we give you information about investing in crypto. Please like and subscribe if you are new here to get everything you need to know about cryptocurrencies. In today's video, you will know all there is to know about XRP replacing SWIFT, what features make XRP to replace such a big network, and lastly, the favorite section of everyone, the price predictions of XRP after replacing SWIFT. So let's start our video. If you are new here, then before we jump to the main topic, let's talk about what Ripple XRP is. But if you are familiar with the XRP, you can skip to the next part of the video about SWIFT. All about XRP. XRP is a cryptocurrency, or you could say that it is a digital money that is used to deal with buying and selling digitally in an anonymous way. Ripple was first launched in 2012, 3 years after Bitcoin as OpenCoin, and Ripple Labs is the American-based software company that developed the XRP. It was created by Jed McCabe, Arthur Brito, and Ripple CTO David Schwartz. Later, the OpenCoin was rebranded to XRP, and Ripple Labs was formed. It's now controlled by the CEO, Brad Garlinghouse. The Ripple is a for-profit technology platform and also a cryptocurrency. The company focuses on providing real-time payment settlements and currency exchange services for financial institutions such as banks and payment processors. Over 100 companies worldwide have adopted Ripple software to guarantee fast, cheap, and frictionless transactions. As a result of the strong financial industry adoption, the Ripple currency, XRP, is currently the fourth most valuable cryptocurrency by market cap after Bitcoin, with a valuation of over $90 billion in January of 2018. While you can buy XRP, it's not intended for consumer use. Instead, it's a token that provides liquidity for banks as they facilitate cross-border transfers. Now moving on to SWIFT. What is SWIFT? Guys, XRP is to replace SWIFT. But what is SWIFT? Guys, SWIFT is the acronym for the Society of Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications. It has become very easy to walk into a bank and transfer money anywhere around the globe. But how does this happen? Guys, behind the most international money and security transfers is the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications System. SWIFT is a vast messaging network used by banks and other financial institutions to quickly, accurately, and securely send and receive information such as money transfer instructions. Put more simply, SWIFT is used to communicate money transfers between two banks. When two banks have a relationship, the transfer is done as soon as the SWIFT message has been received. The money from one person's account is transferred to the other person's account via commercial accounts of banks. Now comes that, how does the SWIFT work? SWIFT assigns each financial organization a unique code that has either 8 characters or 11 characters. The code is interchangeably called the Bank Identifier Code, BIC, SWIFT Code, SWIFT ID, or ISO 9362 code. To understand how this code is assigned, let's take the example of the Italian bank Unicredit Banca, whose headquarters is in Milan. It has an 8-character SWIFT code, UNCRITMM. The first 4 characters are the institution code, UNCR for Unicredit Banca. The next 2 characters are the country code, IT for the country of Italy. Next 2 characters are for the location or city code, MM for Milan. And the last 3 characters are optional, but organizations use them to assign codes to individual branches. Now assume a customer of the Bank of America branch in New York wants to send money to his friend who banks at the Unicredit Banca branch in Venice. The New York customer can walk into his Bank of America branch with his friend's account number and Unicredit Banca's unique SWIFT code for its Venice branch. Bank of America will send a payment transfer SWIFT message to the Unicredit Banca branch over the secure SWIFT network. Once Unicredit Banca receives the SWIFT message about the incoming payment, it will clear and credit the money to the Italian friend's account. Now this should be very clear to you. XRP features. As we have told you that the XRP is to replace the SWIFT, but what features make XRP so unique that it is going to replace the SWIFT? Let's find out. The complete cryptographic security of all transactions and accounts within the ecosystem, a high level of protection against hackers and cyber attacks. Search for a fast exchange path and the cheapest exchange rate between currencies. Constantly growing price of cryptocurrency. Over 5 years of trading, it has grown 88 times, which speaks to its recognition. Possibility of savings by financial structures on each operation up to $4 USD, which is a massive plus for investors. High speed of operations, For example, if in Ethereum the transaction confirmation time is about 2 minutes, then in Ripple, it's about from 3 to 5 seconds. With the low transaction cost, Ripple is practically free because the standard cost to make a transfer is just 0.00001 XRP. The XRP ledger is capable of sustaining a throughput of 1,500 transactions per second on commodity hardware, cooperates with more than 100 international financial institutions, including such major corporations as UBC, Union Credit, Santander, Mercury FX, and more. XRP to replace SWIFT. Guys, according to the Ripple founder Chris Larsen, Ripple's XRP is in good shape to replace SWIFT as an international payment network. A report from Official Monetary and Financial Institutions Forum presents blockchain technology as a solution for multiple sectors, from governance, finance, data access, and scalability. And guess what? Ripple products are part of the solutions presented. According to the report, blockchain technology is appropriate for improving several key banking system functions such as payments, settlements, and transaction validation. The report points out that the DLT technology on which XRP operates can bring improvements to 5 key points: security, speed, transparency, traceability, cost, and risk management. The report also notes that a bank can eliminate the complicated process required by SWIFT and replace it with an XRP pool. That way, a bank can allocate less liquidity as part of a service and still obtain the same amount of transaction volume in global payments. According to that report, a survey was conducted for the banks, and several banking institutions agree on the disadvantages of the SWIFT network for making transactions. These are costly, have many obstacles, and involve parties to be completed. Also, one banking institution representative surveyed stated that the SWIFT network is not appropriate for corporations. Implementing an XRPL-based system could reduce the vulnerability in the traditional banking system and its single points of failure. In addition, distributed general ledger technology could improve the delivery and payment feature required by certain banking services. Therefore, XRP can be applied to eliminate an intermediary in transaction and remove credit risk. That way, transactions recorded by a banking institution could be cheaper, according to the report. XRP price prediction after replacing SWIFT. An article posted on Bitcoinist.com writes, taking into account the limited nature of XRP, that is 100 billion, and the volume of transactions through SWIFT, we get a $153 trillion market. If all this volume is stored in XRP, not including funds used to create the wallet and which are not in circulation, the value of each of the 100 billion XRP tokens would be $1,530. The average value for each day in the year would be $4.19. And if you consider that there are about 250 business days per year, it would be $6.12. But that would only be once Ripple takes over the world. For now, all we have to do is wait for the news about yet another agreement with a major financial company, each of which will increase the currency's value. A detailed technical analysis is given in the article. According to this, the value of 1 XRP can reach $1,530 once it replaces SWIFT. That is, XRP will soon be $1,500 plus. The XRP currency has its ups and downs, and we cannot really predict the price for sure. However, the team behind the project aims for a lot of developments throughout the entirety of 2021. Experts believe that even the situation with the SEC can make the $2 mark done in the coming days. In a perfect case scenario, if XRP gains more mainstream attention and adoption by 2022, it could potentially reach the $500 mark as well. If we keep in view the Great Reset, XRP will be the one future global currency, and it will bridge different currencies. The value of XRP will reach the moon. But if the things that we are expecting do come true, all at once or slowly, XRP will soon take the crown of being the number one away from Bitcoin. As of the time of writing, the XRP price is $1.36 within a 24-hour trading volume of 18 billion USD. XRP is up 3.68% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is number 4, with a live market cap of 61 billion USD. It has a circulating supply of 45 billion XRP coins and a maximum supply of 100 billion XRP coins. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it could be a big help for you. What do you think of XRP replacing SWIFT? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to click the bell icon, and thanks for watching.